My favorite thing about this car is literally just looking in this mirror and seeing the Recaros and the fucking bar in the back, whatever you want to call it, the crush bar, the save me so I don't die bar. Yeah, I don't know, but super sick Mustang up here. I think it was a fastback. I'm not like too like certain with Mustangs, but this thing's sick. It's a yellow. Oh, look at that, dirt nasty. Woo-hoo. Yeah, we're gonna be right behind this thing. It smells so good too. Like, I can literally smell it and you just know. Like, this is something gangster. So dope. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to paint calipers and how to prep them, how to get them ready. And I'm super pumped. It's gonna be on a 992, the brand new Porsche that just got released, I don't know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, whatever it was, maybe even 4 or 5 months ago. I might be late to the party, who knows. But everyone's probably asking, Maybo, why are you in a Ferrari shirt then? Ferrari shirt. No, Porsches are the best thing ever, but you know, I gotta wear the Ferrari shirt today because all you guys are asking. Because the Porsche is getting the Ferrari Yellow on the calipers. So we're gonna be doing Ferrari Yellow on the calipers. And I'm just kidding about all you guys asking questions because I got like 3 viewers or something and like 5 subscribers or something. So I mean, yeah, give it like a year or two and this video will probably be at like 100 views, maybe 200, I don't know. But let's get to it right now. This video gets started. We got this guy for sale too, VW Bus, fully remodeled and everything. I already sent it to Fluffy, but man, that guy's not replying to me, so go tag that guy up in this. And then I got this one for sale too, like $5 or something. It's yours, just let me know. This one's more like 35,000. But yeah, let's get it. Cracked. Last time I painted calipers on a Porsche, I dropped it. It literally fell right on a rock. But dude, Apple, what is this? It's cracked. This just cracked right now. But watch. Let's see. Boom. Okay, looks nice. Looks nice. Boom. It still looks all right. I can kind of see the cracks now, I guess. But like, if it gets enough light, you can't even see the cracks. Not until you really get in the shadows, it messes it up. What is going on, Apple? Going up on a Tuesday. Yeah. So, just waiting for this thing to lock into place. I literally don't know why it's not locking. Oh, there it goes. Boom, locked into place. We're all good, we're all set. Always make sure the jack's locked into place, or if you're using one of the hand crank jacks, make sure you got something under just in case if the car falls, like worst case scenario, you know? Always better to be safe. And just take the extra precautions. There's been too many people that get crushed in their cars just forgetting to lock something. A car falls out the jack just because they forget to lock something. Be safe out there, people, and keep tricking out your cars and making them sick. And if you don't want to trick them out, send them to me. Just let me know and I'll hook you up and we'll get you all set and rolling. But yeah, this is it. It's just like a gray, and it's going to be going the Ferrari Yellow. That's why the shirt, you know, I already said it, but gotta remind you guys, just got a full tint too yesterday. It's 20% on all the windows except for windshield's like 55% or 50%. All sun tech too, so if you guys need tint, let me know. I'll hook you guys up and get you guys rolling. So I'm really bad at just wearing gloves and like with anything automotive, but when you're dealing with the wheels, I really recommend just throwing on some gloves just because all the brake dust and everything, because it will really mess up your hands. Right now they're pretty clean, but on other days they can get pretty messed up if I don't throw on some gloves and do everything right, you know. Just take the extra precautions, wear gloves. You'll thank me in the long run. Your ladies will like it too. Your hands will be a little cleaner. I mean, who knows? Some of your girls might be into that rough look, but at the end of the day, I think they want someone with some baby soft hands. All right, all I did was just take off my gloves. I just set them right there. I already pulled the wheel off. But if you're taking wheels off and everything, make sure you label the tires and everything too, just so you aren't mixing them up. Obviously, with a Porsche, with a wide rear end, you will notice the tire and see the different width. So you kind of will know, but it's just don't mix them up. You already have them all balanced and aligned, so might as well just keep them on the same side unless you're rotating tires and everything. All right. So when you get everything off, for the best results, you want to clean everything. This is just alcohol straight from Costco. It's like, I think it's like $4 or $5 for 2 bottles or something like that. Lasts a little bit, you know, but it's worth it. That $4 or $5 is going to make the paint job come out so much cleaner if you clean them. And then I'll show you how to mask it off next. So he's going Ferrari Yellow. But I don't know, dude. These banana ones look pretty sick. Like, look at that. Banana. Like, might just do that. Alright, so you guys saw me spray the alcohol. Now I'm wiping them down with the towel. You can see how much dirt is on there. So if you would have, and again, don't forget to measure out the decals, the logo, whatever you were gonna do. So we see it is 3 inches like most of my viewers. I'm just kidding, you guys. Cruel joke, I know. But make sure you take a picture of them, measure them out. And with that picture too, just make sure you're putting the decal on, logo on, whatever design you pick, your name, whatever. Make sure you're putting it back on the right way, because you don't want it flip-flopped and looking all weird, like how it didn't come from the factory. As you see, I'm still going. Takes a while. Masking everything off, making it perfect, because you want it to look good. You want it to look good. Obviously, you don't want just some sloppy, just a few pieces of tape and spray. I've seen it before. I'm trying to finish this up as fast as I can. Hassan might be taking over the vlog right now because I have a few appointments with a yacht and then 2 other race boats. Try and get those all quoted up and scheduled up to give a full wrap on 3 boats. More coming. Gonna be wrapping some crazy stuff. This is just the beginning, and I'm really just starting to take YouTube seriously now. I don't know why it took me so long. I'm around all these cool cars and I do decently cool stuff. I think it's cool, at least. You guys might think it's lame, or some of my friends might think it's lame. It's whatever. Just do what you guys like. This is what I love. I went to school and I'm literally not doing anything with the degree I got. Nothing wrong with that. Going to school gave me a lot of experience that you can't get from the workplace, but it also gave me some experience that I'm never going to use in my workplace. So it's kind of like give and take. Ooh-wee, that's a caliper. Those are some nice bananas. Oh, we're there. Yellow. Those are wrong way. Whoa, look. Ooh-wee. Brand new calipers, yeah. Don't forget to torque the wheels, ladies and gents. Calipers are done. Wheels reset.